Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we discuss convergentity of infinite series. Now, problem based on D'Alembert or ratio test. Problem based on D'Alembert test or ratio test. Problem first. Test the series. One plus factorial 2 upon 2 to the power 2 plus factorial 3 upon 3 to the power 3 plus factorial 4 upon 4 to the power 4 plus up to dot factorial n upon n to the power n. Answer. Since un is factorial n upon n to the power n. Now, in case in which factorial n or x there are two important things in the series. Number first, factorial terms are in un or x terms in un. Then we apply D'Alembert ratio test direct. Therefore, un has factorial term. So, we take un plus 1 equal to factorial n plus 1 upon n plus 1 whole power n plus 1. Now, D'Alembert ratio test un upon un plus 1. This is equal factorial n upon n to the power n into n plus 1 whole power n plus 1 upon factorial n plus 1. Now factorial n plus 1 or n plus 1 whole power n plus 1 power 1 or n plus 1 power n is equal to n plus 1 whole power n plus 1. N to the power n. Now n plus 1 common factorial n. This cancel by this. This is equal to factorial n cancel by this. Now taking the common in the numerator n to the power n plus 1 upon n whole power n upon n to the power n. This is cancelled by this. Now un upon un plus 1 limit n tending to infinity. This is equal to limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 upon n whole power n. This is equal to the value of e greater than 1. Therefore, given series is convergent according to the D'Alembert test or ratio test. Now, problem second. Second problem. Test the series 1 plus 3x plus 5x square plus 7x cube plus up to dot. Now un can be written as 135 dot dot. This is the AP. Now Tn that is nth term a, that is 1, n minus 1 into d, d is equal to 2. Now 2n minus 1 is the nth term of this. This is equal to 2n minus 1. Or s to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, that is n minus 1. Since un has x, now we can calculate un plus 1. Now 2n plus 1 or s to the power n by ratio test. Un upon un plus 1 is equal to 2n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 upon 2n plus 1 into s to the power n. This cancel by this. Taking common 2n, 1 minus 1 upon 2n, 2n common, 1 plus 1 upon 2n or 1 upon x, 2n by cancel this. Now taking limit n tending to infinity both side, 1 minus 1 upon 2n or 1 plus 1 upon 2n into 1 upon x, this is equal to 1 minus 0, 1 plus 0 into 1 upon x, that is 1 upon x. If 1 upon x greater than 1, series is convergent. If 1 upon x equal to 1 or lesser than 1, series is divergent. If 1 upon x equal to 1, test fail. Now again try at x equal to 1. Now un will be 2n minus 1, 1 to the power n minus 1. Taking n tending to infinity, this is equal infinity not equal to 0. Then by test number first, series is divergent. Now final result is 1 upon x. If 1 upon x greater 1, so series is convergent. Or if 1 upon x less or equal to 1, series is divergent. Now next problem. Test the series x upon 1 into 2 into 3 plus x square upon 4, 5, 6 plus x cube upon 7, 8, 9 plus up to dot. Now un is x to the power n, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 series in denominator. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. The nth term of this 3n minus 2. Now 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. Nth term will be 3n minus 1. Or 3, 6, 9. Dot dot. Nth term will be 3n. Now total un equal 3n minus 2, 3n minus 1, 3n. Now un plus 1 will be x to the power n plus 1 upon 3n plus 1, 3n plus 2, 3n plus 3. Now un upon un plus 1, this is equal to 3n plus 1, 3n plus 2, 3n plus 3, x to the power n upon 3n, 3n minus 1, 3n minus 2, x to the power n plus 1. Now taking the common 3n, 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 this is equal 27n cube, 1 plus 1 upon 3n, 1 plus 2 upon 3n, 1 plus 1 upon n. Now 3n, 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 27n cube, 1 minus 1 upon 3n, 1 minus 2 upon 3n, or 1 upon x. This is cancelled by this. Now un upon un plus 1, taking limit and tending to infinity both sides. Now we get 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 upon 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 into 1 upon x, that is 1 upon x. If 1 upon x greater than 1, series is convergent. If 1 upon x less than 1, series is divergent. If 1 upon x equal to 1, test fail. Now try next test at x is equal to 1. Now cross multiplied, x is equal to 1. Now we see un equal again 1 upon 3n, 3n minus 1, 3n minus 2, and 1 to the power n. Now un equal to 1 upon 27n cube, 1 minus 1 upon 3n, 1 minus 2 upon 3n. Now by using auxiliary test, say comparison test, now taking Vn equal 1 upon n to the power 3. Now un upon Vn is equal to 1 upon 27, 1 minus 1 upon 3n, 1 minus 2 upon 3n, taking limit and tending to infinity both sides. This is equal to 1 upon 27, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 upon 27, this is equal to finite. Now Vn is equal to 1 upon n cube, this is compared by 1 upon n to the power p. P equal to 3 greater than 1, series is convergent. Now final answer can be written as, if x is greater or equal 1, the series is convergent. If x 1 upon less 1, series is divergent. This is the complete solution. चलो चल गए. Next problem. Problem 4. Test the series whose nth term are. Test the series whose nth term are. Number first, 3n minus 1 upon 2 to the power n. Second, nth term n cube plus a upon 2 to the power n plus a. Third, nth term n to the power cube upon factorial n minus 1. Now answer. First part, un is 3n minus 1 upon 2 to the power n. Now take un plus 1. This is equal to 3n plus 2 upon 2 to the power n plus 1. Now by ratio test, un upon un plus 1, this will be 3n minus 1 upon 2 to the power n into 2 to the power n plus 1 upon 3n plus 2. Now taking 3n into 2 into 1 minus 1 upon 3n into 2 to the power n upon 2 to the power n 3n 1 plus 2 upon 3n, taking 3n common, this is equal to 1 plus 2 upon 3n, 3n cancel by 3, or 2 to the power n cancel by 2 to the power n. Now un upon un plus 1 limit n tending to infinity is equal to limit n tending to infinity 2 into 1 minus 1 upon 3n upon 1 plus 2 upon 3n. Taking limit n tending to infinity, this is equal to 2, 1 minus 0, 1 plus 0, this is equal to 2 greater than 1, series is convergent. Now second part, un equal n cube plus a upon 2 to the power n plus a. Now take un plus 1, this is equal to n plus 1 whole power cube plus a upon 2 to the power n plus 1 plus a. Now un upon un plus 1, this is equal to n cube plus a upon 2 to the power n plus a into 2 to the power n plus 1 in plus a upon n plus 1 whole cube plus a. Taking common n cube, 1 plus a upon n to the power. Now 2 to the power n plus 1 common, 1 plus a upon 2 to the power n plus 1. Now 2 to the power n common, 1 plus a upon 2 to the power n. Now n plus 1 whole power 3 common, 1 plus a upon n plus 1 का whole cube, 2 to the power n cancel by 2 to the power n. Now un upon un plus 1 limit n tending to infinity, this is equal to limit n tending to infinity n to the power 3 as it, 1 plus a upon n to the power 3 into 2, 1 plus a upon 2 to the power n plus 1 upon 1 plus a upon 2 to the power n. Now n cube common, 1 plus 1 upon n की whole cube और 1 plus a upon n plus 1 का whole cube. Since 2 to the power infinity will be infinity, this cancel by this. Now by n tending to infinity we get 1 plus 0 into 2, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 का whole cube, 1 plus 0, this is equal to 2 greater than 1, therefore series is convergent. Now third part is un equal n cube upon factorial n minus 1. Now un plus 1 n plus 1 का whole cube upon factorial n plus 1 minus 1. Now un upon un plus 1, this is equal to n cube upon factorial n minus 1 into n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1 का whole cube. Now n cube factorial n plus 1 as it, 1 minus 1 upon factorial n plus 1. Now factorial n common, 1 minus 1 upon factorial n cube common, 1 plus 1 upon n का whole cube, this cancel by this. This is equal to un upon un plus 1 limit n tending to infinity, n plus 1 common, factorial n or 1 minus 1 upon factorial n plus 1 upon factorial n cancel by this. Now 1 minus 1 upon factorial n और 1 plus 1 upon n का whole cube. Now by limit infinity plus 1, 1 minus 0 अपॉन 1 माइनस 0 और 1 प्लस 0 का होल क्यूब, दिस इज इक्वल टू इंफिनिटी ग्रेटर देन 1. नाउ सीरीज इज convergent. Problem based on Rabi's test. Problem based on Rabi's test. Text the series problem first. Text the series. Series is 1 plus x by 2 plus 1 into 3, 2 into 4 x square plus 1 into 3 into 5 upon 2, 4, 6 x cube plus up to dot. Answer. In this series, the terms are increased. There is first term, one terms, there is two terms, 1, 2, there are 3 terms, next term there are 4 terms and up to dot. In this case, terms are increased. Then we can write un direct as follows. Un equal, we draw a straight line. In numerator 1, 3, 5 up to dot dot. This is a AP. Now 1, 3, 5 dot dot. Then another term 2n minus 1. Say 1, 3, 5 dot dot. This is AP. The Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is equal to 2n minus 1. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. D is the common factor. Now in denominator 2, 4, 6 up to dot. 2, 4, 6 is a AP. Now nth term will be 2n. X to the power 1, 2, 3. Then we can write n. Now un plus 1 can be written as follows directly. In this case, the terms which are in series, we copy of the term and the next term will be 1 increase, that is we put n is equal to n plus 1 in this term, then we get 2n plus 1. Similarly, we put n is equal to n plus 1 in this term, this is equal to 2n plus 2, or this is the term, put n is equal to n plus 1 directly. Whose terms are in a pair, we can write un plus 1. The pair terms will be copy in this term and last term will be n equal to n plus 1. Now un divided by un plus 1 directly in this position. Then un 1 10 upon 1 up to 3 up to dot n plus n, our terms are cancelled directly. Now un upon un plus 1 can be written as 2n plus 2 upon 2n plus 1 x to the power n upon x to the power n plus 1. Now taking common 2n, so 1 plus 1 upon n. Now similarly 2n common, 1 plus 1 upon 2n, or x to the power n cancel by x to the power n plus 1 by x, 2n cancel. Now taking limit un upon un plus 1, limit n tending to infinity both sides, 1 plus 1 upon n, 1 plus 1 upon 2n, or 1 upon x, by n tending to infinity, this is 0, now we get 1 upon x. If 1 upon x greater than 1, the series is convergent. If 1 upon x less than 1, series is divergent. If 1 upon x is equal to 1, test fail. At x is equal to 1, we try again. By Rabistat n un upon un plus 1 minus 1, limit n tending to infinity, this is equal to limit n tending to infinity, n un upon un plus 1 will be 1 plus 1 upon n upon 1 plus 1 upon n, 2n. 1 upon x is equal to 1 or minus 1. Now limit n tending to infinity and taking LCM, 1 plus 1 upon 2n, so 1 plus 1 upon n minus 1 upon 2n, 1 cancel by this. Now limit n tending to infinity, n cancel by this is equal to 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2n, n tending to infinity we get 1 upon 2 less than 1. The series is divergent. Now final answer is, if 1 upon x greater than 1, series is convergent. If 1 upon x less or equal to 1, series is divergent. This is the complete